In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge expenses in Expensify. This process is an essential skill for those looking to streamline their expense tracking and ensure accuracy in their reports. Let's dive right into it. To begin, let's navigate to the Expenses section. If you're using the web version, you'll find the navigation tabs on the left side of your screen. For those on mobile, you'll see these tabs at the bottom. Look for Reports, and from there, go to Expenses. This is where your journey to merging expenses starts. Now that you're in the Expenses section, locate the specific expense you want to merge from. You might be wondering why you would want to merge expenses in the first place. Well, it's a handy feature to group similar expenditures, especially useful when you've mistakenly logged duplicate entries or have multiple receipts for the same transaction. Once you've made your selection, it's time to tap the More button. This little button often holds many useful features, and merging is one of them. By selecting Merge, you're getting ready to combine your expenses. The next step is to choose another eligible expense to merge with. It's important to note that you can only select one expense to merge with at a time, so choose wisely. The expenses are conveniently sorted by date, with the newest ones at the top, making it easier for you to find potential candidates for merging. Sometimes, when you open this list, you might find that there are no eligible expenses to merge. If that happens, a message will inform you that there are no expenses available for merging. This often means that the expense doesn't meet certain criteria necessary to be merged. If you want to learn more about these eligibility criteria, there's a helpful link that provides additional insights. Let's move forward. If only one of the expenses has a receipt attached, Expensify will automatically select that receipt. However, if both expenses have receipts, you'll be prompted to choose which one to retain. This ensures that your documentation remains clear and organized, which is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Next, you need to select the details you want to keep from each expense. This could include information like the merchant name, amount, or category. This is your chance to customize the merged expense entry to reflect the most accurate and useful information. When you're satisfied with your selections, tap Continue. At this point, you'll see a review of the selected details. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Confirm to complete the merge process. And just like that, your expenses are seamlessly merged, making your financial tracking simpler and more efficient. Merging